you see a photo of a sprint booster, it doesn't really give you a complete idea of how big it is or how it fits together. We hope this video is going to help with that and how it fits into your pedal. The actual selector is fairly small. For comparison, here's a selector and here's a quarter. You can see that it's really small. When we say it's easy to install a sprint booster, we really mean it. Here's a simple guide to give you an idea of how easy. First, on the right-hand side of the selector, set your car's transmission type. Next, connect the selector switch to the sprint booster connector by inserting the white plug into the socket. You should have the car keys removed from the car and wait for 10 minutes before proceeding to make sure your car is ready. After the 10 minutes, locate the harness connector at the base of the pedal and remove the harness connector from the accelerator pedal. Then connect the sprint booster in between the pedal and the harness connector. After you've installed the sprint booster, it's a good idea to test it by starting your car. With your car in park and the emergency brake on, gently press the accelerator with your hand. If your throttle responds, you did it correctly. Finally, put the selector switch somewhere where you can easily reach it. We would recommend using double-sided tape to attach it wherever you want. And there you have it, 7 easy steps to install your sprint booster. If you have any questions about the installation, go to sprintboostersales.com. And remember, engage the boost, unleash the power.